Potresti aiutarmi con i piatti, per favore?
Could you please help me with the dishes?
Could you please help me with the dishes?
Oggi devo fare il bucato.
I need to do the laundry today.
I need to do the laundry today.
Puoi spegnere la luce?
Can you turn off the light?
Can you turn off the light?
Sto andando al supermercato. Hai bisogno di qualcosa?
I'm going to the supermarket. Do you need anything?
I'm going to the supermarket. Do you need anything?
Guardiamo un film stasera.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Ho dimenticato di comprare il latte.
I forgot to buy milk.
I forgot to buy milk.
Il soggiorno è un po' disordinato.
The living room is a bit messy.
The living room is a bit messy.
Puoi aprire la finestra? Fa caldo qui.
Can you open the window? It's hot in here.
Can you open the window? It's hot in here.
Penso che le piante abbiano bisogno di essere annaffiate.
I think the plants need watering.
I think the plants need watering.
Ceniamo insieme.
Let's have dinner together.
Let's have dinner together.
Dove è il telecomando?
Where is the remote control?
Where is the remote control?
Stasera andrò a letto presto.
I'm going to bed early tonight.
I'm going to bed early tonight.
Puoi aiutarmi a apparecchiare?
Can you help me set the table?
Can you help me set the table?
È ora di pulire la casa.
It's time to clean the house.
It's time to clean the house.
Ho perso le chiavi di casa.
I lost my house keys.
I lost my house keys.
Possiamo mangiare fuori stasera?
Can we eat outside tonight?
Can we eat outside tonight?
Il frigorifero è vuoto.
The fridge is empty.
The fridge is empty.
Devo aspirare il tappeto.
I need to vacuum the carpet.
I need to vacuum the carpet.
I fiori in giardino sono bellissimi.
The flowers in the garden are beautiful.
The flowers in the garden are beautiful.
Per favore, chiudi la porta.
Please, close the door.
Please, close the door.
Vado a fare una doccia.
I'm going to take a shower.
I'm going to take a shower.
Puoi passarmi il sale?
Can you pass me the salt?
Can you pass me the salt?
Devo cambiare la lampadina.
I need to change the light bulb.
I need to change the light bulb.
Il cane deve uscire.
The dog needs to go out.
The dog needs to go out.
Sto per fare il caffè. Ne vuoi un po'?
I'm going to make coffee. Do you want some?
I'm going to make coffee. Do you want some?
Puoi stirare questi vestiti per me?
Can you iron these clothes for me?
Can you iron these clothes for me?
È ora di cambiare le lenzuola.
It's time to change the bed sheets.
It's time to change the bed sheets.
La finestra è aperta.
The window is open.
The window is open.
Ho dimenticato di spegnere il fornello.
I forgot to turn off the stove.
I forgot to turn off the stove.
Puoi darmi una mano a cucinare?
Can you give me a hand with cooking?
Can you give me a hand with cooking?
Ordiniamo una pizza stasera.
Let's order pizza tonight.
Let's order pizza tonight.
Il riscaldamento non funziona.
The heater is not working.
The heater is not working.
Annaffierò le piante.
I'll water the plants.
I'll water the plants.
Puoi abbassare il volume?
Can you lower the volume?
Can you lower the volume?
Dobbiamo comprare più carta igienica.
We need to buy more toilet paper.
We need to buy more toilet paper.
Riorganizziamo i mobili.
Let's rearrange the furniture.
Let's rearrange the furniture.
Il gatto ha rovesciato il vaso.
The cat has knocked over the vase.
The cat has knocked over the vase.
È ora di ridipingere le pareti.
It's time to repaint the walls.
It's time to repaint the walls.
Per favore, porta fuori la spazzatura.
Please, take out the trash.
Please, take out the trash.
Il pavimento è ancora bagnato.
The floor is still wet.
The floor is still wet.
Chi ha la password del Wi-Fi?
Who has the Wi-Fi password?
Who has the Wi-Fi password?
Facciamo panchecche per colazione.
Let's make pancakes for breakfast.
Let's make pancakes for breakfast.
La TV non funziona.
The TV is not working.
The TV is not working.
Devo caricare il mio telefono.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to charge my phone.
Il microonde è rotto.
The microwave is broken.
The microwave is broken.
Facciamo una torta.
Let's bake a cake.
Let's bake a cake.
Puoi riparare il rubinetto che perde?
Can you fix the leaky faucet?
Can you fix the leaky faucet?
Il bambino sta dormendo.
The baby is sleeping.
The baby is sleeping.
Abbiamo finito il pane.
We're out of bread.
We're out of bread.
Andrò a prendere i bambini a scuola.
I'll pick up the kids from school.
I'll pick up the kids from school.
Puoi portare fuori il cane?
Can you walk the dog?
Can you walk the dog?
La luce nel corridoio sta sfarfallando.
The light in the hallway is flickering.
The light in the hallway is flickering.
Ho rovesciato il caffè sul tappeto.
I spilled coffee on the carpet.
I spilled coffee on the carpet.
Giochiamo a un gioco da tavolo.
Let's play a board game.
Let's play a board game.
Devo cucire un bottone sulla mia camicia.
I need to sew a button on my shirt.
I need to sew a button on my shirt.
Il campanello sta suonando.
The doorbell is ringing.
The doorbell is ringing.
Facciamo un barbecue questo fine settimana.
Let's have a barbecue this weekend.
Let's have a barbecue this weekend.
Sto cercando le forbici.
I'm looking for the scissors.
I'm looking for the scissors.
Puoi spolverare gli scaffali?
Can you dust the shelves?
Can you dust the shelves?
Ho dimenticato di annaffiare le piante da interno.
I forgot to water the indoor plants.
I forgot to water the indoor plants.